Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, dear students, today we are here with the second lecture on chapter 2, that is population explosion in Pakistan. And today we are going to explore the vocabulary words, the difficult words. And the very first word that I have written over here is demographic, which actually means related to the population or the stats of population, we may say. And the antonym can be the non statistical things. And the sentence can be Pakistan is facing a serious demographic crisis due to rapid population growth. That means all stats related to population, they are showing a sort of crisis in Pakistan. The next word is inequality, which definitely means not equal. So we may say the unfair difference. That means the all the group of people, they are not treated equally, and the antonym can be equality or fairness or treating everyone the same. And the sentence can be overpopulation has worsened social inequality by increasing poverty and unemployment. Social inequality means that people are divided into social stratas. The next word is surges, which means to rise suddenly or very powerfully, and the antonym can be to decline. Well, the sentence can be Pakistan's population surges every year, which means increases every year, putting pressure on the limited resources. The next word is grapples, which means struggle to deal with. That means to face or challenge something and struggling in that, especially to overcoming a problem. And the antonym can be to ignore or to overlook. And the sentence can be the nation grapples with issues of poverty and illiteracy caused by overpopulation. That means this poverty and illiteracy are the reasons behind overpopulation. Right, the next word is stave off, which means to prevent something bad from happening, and the antonym can be to invite something, and the sentence can be urgent reforms are needed to stave off the economic threats caused by overpopulation. That means we can prevent the economic threats if we are going to do certain reforms. The next word is looming, which means something which is likely to happen or about to happen. And the antonym can be something which is distant or far, not happening very closely. And the sentence can be the looming danger of overpopulation threatens Pakistan's social stability. The next word is ineffective, which means not producing the desired effects. And the antonym of this word can be obviously something effective or giving us the desired results. The sentence can be ineffective government policies have failed to control the rising population. The next word is vulnerable, which means something which is uh, open to harm, or something which is weak, and can be something which is secure or strong. Sentence we can have for vulnerable is like a country remains vulnerable to economic collapse due to its growing population. The next word is hampered, which means something which has been slowed down or become or made more difficult, and the antonym can be something which is made easy or facilitated. The sentence can be overpopulation has hampered Pakistan's economic growth and industrial development. The next word, dear students, is liability, which means a person or thing that causes problems, or in simple words, we may say a thing which is a burden to someone. And the antonym can be an asset, which means which can be used for the benefit of person. And the sentence can be what could have been a human asset have now become a liability due to lack of planning. We are talking this with reference to the population of Pakistan. The next word is decline, which means to decrease, or we may say to become weaker, and the antonym can be to rise or increase. The sentence can be overpopulation leads to a decline in living standards and job opportunities in a country. The next word is urbanization. Urban means city, so it means urbanization means movement of people from rural to city or urban areas, and the antonym can be ruralization. That means from city to the village. The sentence can be rural poverty forces people to migrate to cities and causing rapid urbanization. The next word is illiteracy, which means inability to read or write. And the antonym obviously will be literacy, that means a person who can read and write effectively. The sentence can be illiteracy prevents people from understanding the importance of family planning. The next word is corruption, which means dishonest conduct, and obviously the antonym will be honesty, or performing your duties in an honest manner. And a sentence can be corruption and mismanagement have worsened the effects of population explosion. The next word, dear students, is instability, which means lack of stability, or we may say tendency to change or fall apart very quickly. And the antonym of the word can be definitely the stability. And the sentence we can make population growth has led to social and political instability in Pakistan. The next word is exploitation, which means the unfair treatment, and that normally a group of people does for his own benefit. And the antonym can be fairness or equality. And child labor is a form of exploitation that results from overpopulation and poverty. The next word is hazardous. Hazard, as we've already said, is something blocking or putting something in danger. So hazardous means dangerous or risky, and the antonym can be something which is safe. The sentence can be many children in Pakistan work in hazardous condition instead of attending schools because of this poverty and overpopulation. The next word is chaotic, which means something which is in disorder or confused, and the antonym can be something which is organized. The sentence can be uncontrolled urban growth has turned many cities into chaotic settlements. That means they are not arranged in a proper manner. The next word is frustration, which means the feeling of being, you may say, upset or annoyed as well. And the antonym can be uh, somebody who is satisfied, or we may say satisfaction. The sentence we can have for frustration is unemployment and poverty create frustration among the youth. My dear students, the last word on our list of vocabulary is pragmatically, which actually means something which is done in a practical and realistic manner, we may say. So it is related to practical and realistic way. The antonym can be somebody who is idealist or idealistically, that can be the antonym. The writer of the essay urges the government to tackle the population problem pragmatically rather than politically. So, with that, dear students, we have come to the end of this section of vocabulary, and I hope by understanding the difficult words, we will be able to understand the essay more effectively. Allah bless you all, beta. Thank you very much.